Hi, it's Rich from Loen.Design. Today, we're going to make a box to hold postcards. We have a sign outside of our office, and we put weird and interesting and strange messages up on that sign every couple of weeks. Here in Ottawa, it's become kind of a thing, and people take that bus home, especially just to see what's on the sign. I get lots of comments on Reddit. People come knock at the door. So it's a fun kind of thing that we get to do. We took this ancient sign that was built in the 60s. For about 6 months, we just left the old words and things on it. And then we put our own logo up there. We put a giant banana for no reason at all. You know, it's just been kind of a source of amusement for us. And so I took pictures of all of the messages we put up on the sign. And I thought this would be kind of cool to put a little box on the side of the sign so that people could come along and take a postcard and then, you know, fill it out, show it to their friends, do whatever. Now we need to have a little box to hold these and to make these postcards available to people going by. So let's make that box. So here's our banana postcard box. This fits on there. This is at about the right angle to sort of mimic what's actually on the sign. And what I want to do is figure out how to attach this. I made some holes, and let's figure out how to attach this to this post that will be on the sign. So this is just a practice here to figure out how we're going to do that. And then we will put it on the sign for real. That might work. Okay. That's what we want. Now, we need some postcards. So there we have our postcard rack right out front of our office. I've added this piece of wood so that it falls closed and will keep the postcards dry. And now we'll see if people take one or all the postcards, and you know, it'd be nice if people just took one at a time. We'll see what happens. It's kind of an experiment.
you.